Alright, so we are doing the Lament glitch, yeah?
Fuck you say to me, you little shit!
What the fuck?
No way. Come on, come on, come on! Why'd you stop? Why'd you stop? We had to commit.
No!
We had to commit.
Oh, I still got him! I still got him!
My luck isn't going good right
This
now.
isn't fair.
What the fuck?
I got him.
Kyle, did you see me teleport?
Get him! Behind us. This is so stupid.
So good.
So fucking fun.
You said silence and squall mid? Is that still applicable?
I think playing as well too.
It's supposed to be up today, isn't it?
I think this is why they can't. This and then Titans are invisible.
Bro, this is broken, dude.
How the fuck are we 123 to 106?
Get shield.
If he's running when I mask it.
Guys, we won. we literally won the game.
I got the capture.
Terrible.
Oh, dude, Ollie. Ollie, what do you think?
Why just? I wanna know how many I got. I just got so many.
Dude, this is amazing.
The guy on the top of the team said you guys are all fucking bots.
No way.
I ruined the stream.
Wait, are you gonna say the N-word?
What? No.
Jasper's at 69 rank right now. Congratulations on the milestone.
Damn.
Oh, thanks, dude.
That shield's cool.
Kyle, there was a guy behind.
How? I did it right.
Guys, I'm gonna flip spawns like an ass.
Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna be a shotgunning.
Dude, one of the
because,
warlocks is one of the guys from last time.
Them
Wait,
fucking
this is the
pulse
same people
rushers.
as last time. Everyone,
No
we have
way.
to try hard. We have
Try
to
hard,
against
sweat
them.
up, sweat.
Oh, okay, sweat.
Okay.
Alright, I'm switching my pulse rifle.
I'm
No
switching
more
to
hand
my
Alright, yo, let me
configure.
switch out of my element.
Switching the thorn.
Switching.
Oh.
Putting my.
There's one in the tunnels relatively.
They're coming. Left side, long.
How did that man kill?
Got him.
Left side, long.
It's the train
Gauge.
flesh.
Give
Be
me my
careful back there.
weapon.
Good stuff, Gauge. One more coming. One more peeking.
One more. Let's see up full health.
Yeah, I'm gonna help
Okay.
you with A Thunder.
Bro,
Gracias.
yeah, I like how we got
Oh,
a full
they're
squad.
Are we
We
using?
need to start capturing points. We're not gonna lose after that last match of beating them with Lament.
Are we all using stasis except for me?
I'm using stasis.
I'm using.
Wow, it's really nice.
Okay, we need to capture. Run.
You guys always find that upstairs is the heavy area.
Wait. I just put up a shield perfectly timed, so he
How?
Should I pop suit? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put on B. Yeah.
Oh, you can get my heavy.
Oh.
Yeah, we lost B though.
Behind.
You're about all.
They're all coming behind. Who's
It's
on
fine, we're catching up.
This is like 3 right?
Okay, if they wait, hold up, let me push. I got cloud strike up. Let me see if I can.
I'm gonna come to you. Oh, they're at
Dude,
C.
I'm just actually capping A right now.
There's a big dust field.
Yo, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, don't run.
Right side.
Yeah,
no,
I
sorry,
spawned
one
at
shot,
A.
One
I'm
shot.
at A.
Nice.
Nice clean up.
Oh! I didn't realize that.
Gage, or Ollie, cleaning up.
Dude, we won. We won.
Yeah.
Nice. Good stuff, boys.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Alright.
Also, don't.
Does he- does
also
he just
no
shit
one
on
tell
me?
me we're to
Respond.
actually have a viewer now.
That's what they get for trying to talk some shit. We're
I'm gonna say
Is this the
really.
exact same people from last time?
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna say stillbots or.
Look at our KDs. We're literally all like fucking. Look at like what the fuck.
Except for Braden.
See, we were just not gonna say anything.
I think that was probably the most fun I've had in so long on this game.
Oh, I got a
Who the
message
fuck
from
is listening to
Dagan.
porn?
My bot.
Mida
team.
What'd he say?
multi-tool.
Wait, what do you say?
He said
Mida
that you guys
Megal.
aren't bots. My team is.
Bro.
Yeah, yeah. Put some
facts.
respect on it.
Yeah, put some
nigga.
respect on our
Oh
name.
shit! Sorry, sorry.
Just what you have to do is link Kyle's YouTube channel. Just say, you want to see the worst player play?
Fuck you.
I'm sorry,
No, just
Kyle,
send him. You wanna see the worst player play? Kyle, your ass. That's what he's trying to intend. And Andreas, I just told Andrew how to cheat his math test, and he's like, "Damn, I would have been cheating sooner." He's like, "Bro, I'll pay you to do my math test." I was like, "Bro,
Everyone-
look up Mathway."
Mathway.
Yeah, shout out Mathway. Everyone that's watching this video, I just gave you a free way to cheat on all of your.
Nice, nice.
Are we toxic?
They're all at A.
Watch out, there's one coming from the left
That's
area.
hot. Wait, left side, left side, left side, left side. Sonic and someone else.
Thank
I'm becoming a shotgun ape. Ooga ooga
Oh, you're a
ooga
piece of
booga.
shit.
Hey, you know, we just gotta
Don't
start
people
playing
know they
again
get
like a
broken.
team,
Hey, okay,
bro.
I'm gonna come with you.
Are
for
we
it.
going to A?
Yeah,
Alright.
there's one guy.
They're sucking dick.
How do you shoot my toes like
Dude.
that?
Anything is possible.
I need to stop, dude. I'm gonna get banned. Gage? Okay.
Yo, I'm out here
Bro,
fisting.
Oh my
You need
god.
to swap characters.
Oh my god.
Dude,
Bro,
I'm
I'm
so
so-
fucking tired.
They have. How much heavy do they have?
Lit Sonic. Lit Dab Sonic.
That Sonic's just like, I'm gonna use stirs.
Sonic lit! Whoa.
In a fucking Supreme shirt. Our gameplay is flaccid.
I like that word for this. Flaccid.
Alright guys, we're staying so separate. We need to like
Behind you, Fellwinters. Is Little Sonic? Oh, Little Sonic. Lit Sonic?
Lil Sonic.
Okay, guys, wanna hear my AirPods close?
No.
No.
Prick.
Capsy,
Come
capsy,
on.
capsy, capsy.
This dude's using.
Yeah, dude, there's so many people at B.
Imagine using ammo for your heavy, just saying.
Oh, he emoted on the point. Wow, you're
Did you
good.
see that shit?
I froze
Guys,
someone.
I'm
please
at
kill
A.
him. Oh, that was. Where are they
Brayden,
at?
stay with me
Kyle,
here. Brayden,
let's
stay with me
go.
here to protect. We're gonna take it. Oh no, never mind.
I'm on
we're
A,
at
I'm on A.
I got skirmed by Lit Sonic.
Lit Sonic actually fucked my mom.
I finished him. Yeah.
I got ghost in the
30
night. I got ghost in the night.
Let's go fuck some kids' days up.
I'll go Thunder Crash A.
Thunder Crash B, it looks like.
Ollie, literally right fucking behind you, dude.
I know.
That Silencing Skull should take down in the middle alley area for a short bit.
Rip
Oh.
Guys,
Thunder Crash.
super.
That's
If you have
fine.
super,
That's
super.
fine. I didn't want it anyway. No, that's fine.
Imagine.
God damn it, Gage. Beat me. Dude, Gage, I did terrible this game.
I did okay that game.
I'm trying to
did.
use prosperity more.
Yeah,
it's
I went
just
positive.
not
That's all I
good.
care about.
I did not go.
I did not go.
Kyle going for solo push. Let's see how this guy's. Guys, don't help him. Just watch him go do it. Come on, great. No.
Whoa, Wither Horde.
No.
Watch it from behind.
Whoa, Wither Horde. Let me just fucking play in it.
Thank you, Ollie.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I just watched you
No,
playing it
where
like a
I
kid in a
go,
sandbox.
New comp,
Apologize,
boys,
try
new
to
comp.
escape these people.
Okay, we just gotta make sure. Okay, bet. Ripping
Guys, if you
heavy.
kill one by the name of Turbo, teabag him.
Oh,
Okay,
fuck
okay.
me.
Oh yeah, there's a time
Dude,
right here.
shit gauge?
Sure, I'm gonna go.
Oh,
Rip
it's the other one.
heavy.
Alright, I'm just gonna sit up here and watch
Ripping
this.
heavy.
Yeah.
Rip heavy for us.
Dude, I honestly love
They're coming after me at C.
Kyle. What?
Dustfield, they're froze on B in the little doorway. On the ramp towards...
Kyle, okay.
On a 5 streak? Let's go.
Let's
I
see.
shot-
I mean,
Dude, who
teabag
just teabagged you?
by another guy.
They just teabagged you again?
Yeah, but it wasn't even
It's
this guy
Turbo.
who killed me.
What the fuck is that slide?
Are you joking, dude?
That Titan slide is
Oh my
busted.
god.
I'm spawning at C now.
But the
Yeah.
one that was right behind you.
We're in the lead currently. Push for heavy, guys. They're gonna try going for it.
Turbo, behind the thing.
Yep, there we
He's
go.
so
Pushing,
super.
two
He's
pushing
pushing
right
on A.
side.
The other time pushing A, he's going
Enemy spotted.
heavy.
Tango down.
Ah, damn it, dude.
Push.
We're gonna team shot if they come over here.
Watch out, I'm getting shot.
That's so annoying.
C.
Don't die, don't die, don't die. Kyle, watch out.
How did I
Fuck
not
me,
kill
dude.
him? He was
Alright, one more redemption.
Dude,
me switch
fucking
to my
hands
hunter.
hurt. I'm
Holy
sweating.
shit,
whoever's
Kyle.
leader
Look at my
pulls
I
up.
did
Gage
horrible.
popped off. I thought I popped off. Gage popped off.
Yeah.
Almost everyone on our team dropped a 30 bomb.
That's because it's
That's
team
not-
shot.
I was like, damn, I thought I was
That's-
doing bad.
Guys, that's not defeats, that's score. That
Yeah.
means like every
Yeah.
time you have a triple play, it gets counted as 3. Back us out, back us
And
out.
also
Hey.
six count.
Let me pretend like I dropped 30 bomb.
I got a
Yeah.
message from Turbo. Dang, glitching and still less. Glitching?
What glitch?
Oh,
weren't-
that's me.
Oh,
That's
we're
me.
using the sword.
That's just Kyle.
God, were you still using this forward on him?
Maybe.
It's a group of 3.
Oh yeah, I have grenades.
That guy?
How are none of those fucking hitting him?
Kyle,
Kyle,
he's
kill
from-
him, please.
Yeah,
So
I got him?
confused.
Wait, I got him, dude?
The next patch is gonna take all the fun out of the game.
I hope it does. This is a horrible
Honestly,
Crucible experience.
How is this? I feel like when Matthew runs around, he doesn't see like actual players. He just sees walking bricks of ammo.
Okay,
But that's what they are.
This
They're
man-
walking
Wait, you guys
bricks
not see
of
that?
ammo
they're
that could
all
sometimes
pressing
shoot back.
me, bro.
I just got pulled through the little storm grenade and out of bounds. Off the side.
I'm
of the
done
stage
with
place,
anything
and I
that
don't
deals
even have to hit
damage
you.
inside of this video game. Fuck.
I ripped heavy.
That's so cool. Thank you, Gage.
Fucking
Oh,
God.
Ripperoonie, dude. We lost.
Gage, come to my
Okay, good night, y'all.
Gage.
I
just
take
fucking
break.
get
I
here.
get off.
Get in
Alright,
here,
I'm
please.
finna get off though.
I'm gonna
Night,
come here.
lads.
Alright, well, I'm gonna end the recording.